Chapter 05 Kural 01. Welcome back to our series on Thirukkural, where we delve into the profound teachings of this ancient Tamil text. Today, we explore Kural 01 from Chapter 6, which highlights the qualities of an ideal life partner. Greetings, and thank you for joining us. Thirukkural, penned by the illustrious poet Thirukkural, provides timeless wisdom on various aspects of life. In Kural 01, we learn about the virtues and financial prudence that define an ideal life partner. Kural 01 states, a spouse who possesses virtues required for the family and spends within the means is the ideal life partner. Thirukkural emphasizes the importance of essential qualities and financial responsibility in a life partner. Thirukkural recognizes that a successful marriage requires a partner who possesses virtues that are essential for the family's well-being. The virtues may include qualities such as compassion, honesty, patience, and respect for one another. Moreover, financial prudence plays a crucial role in a harmonious partnership. Thirukkural emphasizes the significance of a life partner who spends within their means, avoiding excessive debt or financial burden. By advocating for financial responsibility, Thirukkural highlights the importance of maintaining stability and security within the family unit. This practice allows for a harmonious environment where trust and mutual support thrive. Kural 01 from Chapter 6 reminds us that an ideal life partner possesses not only virtuous qualities but also the wisdom to manage finances wisely. Such a partnership creates a strong foundation for a prosperous and fulfilling life together. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the profound teachings of Thirukkural Kural 01 from Chapter 6. We hope you found this insight valuable. Stay tuned for more enlightening discussions on Thirukkural in our upcoming episodes.